Abby, we spoke with a legal expert who tells us we are in uncharted territory. To her knowledge, this is the first time an Oklahoma AG has appointed an independent counsel to investigate a conviction.
In Oklahoma, this is actually a unique situation. It's the first time I can think of that an attorney general has brought in somebody to conduct an independent investigation into a case where there is a colorable claim of actual innocence.
Andrea Miller is with the Oklahoma Innocence Project, an organization that works to overturn wrongful convictions in the state. She expects the council to conduct a full-range investigation of the Glossip case.
To do so, they will have to, I would imagine, re-interview witnesses and follow the trail of evidence to see where the evidence takes them.
Can he stop the execution if he finds something from independent counsel to be worrisome?
At the moment, this investigation is going on while he is still under a death warrant. If they get to the point where they determine that they think he is innocent, or I suppose there are any other severe, significant issues that could impact his sentence, at that point, I think the Attorney General would have the authority to ask the court to stay the proceedings.
Miller says a court could then hear new evidence and throw out the conviction, ultimately dropping Glossip's death sentence. The AG's office has not said how long this investigation will last, but for now, Richard Glossip has an execution scheduled for mid-May.